The Coach Jules Hobo Shoulder Bag in black is the perfect blend of elegance and practicality. Crafted with premium materials, this bag is designed to elevate your style while keeping all your essentials organized. Its sleek, timeless design makes it ideal for any occasion, from casual outings to formal events. What truly sets this bag apart is its spacious interior and thoughtfully designed compartments, perfect for keeping your belongings secure and easy to access. The adjustable strap ensures a comfortable fit, making it a versatile choice for everyday use. With over hundreds of satisfied customers, this bag holds an impressive 5-star rating on Amazon. Users rave about its durability, high-quality finish, and how it complements any outfit effortlessly. It is not just a bag, it is an investment in style and convenience. If you are looking for a luxurious yet functional shoulder bag, the Coach Jules Hobo is the one for you. Don't just take my word for it. Check out the reviews and see why everyone is falling in love with this bag. Click the link in the first comment to grab yours now. Just a quick heads up. Some of the links mentioned in this video are affiliate links, which means I may earn a small commission if you make a purchase through them. This helps support the channel, so thank you for your support.